So we failed miserably on the first C10 project. Or the truck itself was missing too many parts. The bed was missing. We got a new bed. The bed was really thrashed. C10 parts are really expensive if you don't have them all at once. So we're missing the whole front clip, the whole bed. The bed wasn't really fitting correctly, but we did find another truck complete. So we're gonna go pick that one up, give the first C10 truck cab to my dad because he needs the cab because the cab's perfect. So the first C10 is getting scrapped, unfortunately. The new one actually has registration, it's non-opt, it's all there. The body's very rusty, and it's not really rusty, it's just surface rust. Just like basically just ready to have a motor dropped in it. So I'm gonna go pick that truck up right now in Lompoc, California. The truck should be much nicer to work on since it's all there. We don't know if we're gonna short bed swap it, depending on what it looks like. They did do like a lease reconversion in the back. It's an actual C10, not a C30. The project should go smoother. We're trying to make it to the car show in Pismo on May 31st. Ooh, I spotted in the distance. There's the truck. It looks cool. Hi, Travis.
Hi.
This is his truck.
It's not my truck anymore.
No more. I haven't paid you yet. Here's the truckie. The patina is perfect. There's a hole there, but that's less holes than I have in mine. Ooh, the dents. I like the dents. Dents looking good. Ow! I'm gonna trip over this thing. Has a little bit of moss and some spider webs. I'm gonna leave the moss on there. I'm excited. Ooh, that is billet.
And I have the billet cover for the other side too.
I could make these. I should make those. The box it. Baller. Comes some lights.
A bunch of stuff and things.
Do you want this?
Do you not want that?
I do, but if you want, just
No,
keep something
sure.
off of it. Okay.
I think there's 2 of them in here.
I think I have. Here's 500. $501.
Woohoo! And a kiss, come on.
We didn't kiss. Rock crawling. C10 in the shop. Truck's full of stuff. Got a ton of cool spare parts. That's an LMC replacement. So we started doing the bed, like shaved the holes. Like here's a little dented up sill. We're just gonna lay her flat on the ground. We'll pull the hood real quick. Hopefully by the end of the day we'll have the motor in here and we could start doing all the cool fun stuff. Where'd it go? Bam. Can't really see it. Yeah, bro. I'm a fabricator, dude.
You got all the tools, and the toolbox
Clean it.
doesn't make you a mechanic. I'll clean it.
Oh, I gotta check the other side. It works. I know, but I gotta check the other side because the other bracket was different size. Where's the bolt? Where's the bolt? There's the bolt. Does a bolt fit? Yes, it does. It's a little loose, but it's okay. Oh yeah, bro. Man, it was about to buzz this on. Bird poop. Okay, let's go. See nothing. I'm blind. Oh. Pack. Oh. There we go. I can't see nothing out. Nothing. He got it. He did it. Can't see nothing. Scratched in there. Shots. Great at one thing. I'm okay at everything. That's how I live my life. Quarter amount of time. Just shaking it. The whole truck and it's not falling out. Where's the light? It's still under there.
On the film chain truss member. You got it?
So here is the booger welds holding that on. We're gonna still plate it right there, just like a little dimple there or something. But we robbed these off our pre-gunner because it's not ready to go anytime soon. But I want to make new ones because the angle of the tranny motor was all off. I didn't know what I was doing. I still don't. So the motor is mounted. Johnny's stoked. Go clean yourself up, bud. Your back is filthy. Here's a cross member. Ooh, that weld doesn't look half as bad as it holds. That looks pretty bad, but I don't know if this will be the best way to do it. Never did the cross member on a C10 before. But the motor, that thing's pretty flush with the cross member. This is, I don't know if we could get a shorter one. They probably do sell one. Driveline is going to be very long. Jeez, did you see how long this driveline is?
Yeah, we have to run a
Tube drive shafts?
carrier bearing.
Maybe we should short bed swap it. So trans mounted, motors mounted. Now we need to figure out drive shaft. If we're gonna short bed swap this thing, definitely need to put do spring under at least in the rear. Yeah, I think we're gonna leave the front the same height as it is right now. Mount a factory radiator out of a Silverado. We're gonna have to trim the battery box and probably the fender wells. So we're gonna run stock hoses off of Chevy Silverado. Run there's A-N fittings on the tranny already. We're gonna run just soft lines.
A6 barb fittings off the tranny. Run the hose from, I think it's derail. We bought that stuff. We get free stuff, it'd be cool. Run the hose all the way up to the stock radiator, and then just buy the fittings that are up to a barb, and then throw a hose snap on it and call it good. That's what we did to the Bronco. It leaks a little bit, but
Does it really leak right
yeah,
now?
it leaks a little tiny bit. I need to tighten up. I forgot to tighten the bottom one. It lasted through all the burnouts though. Cut to the burnout scene.
That's about it. The hood's still gonna clear, I hope. It should.
Oh well.
But we need to order some. Do we have plugs and wires for this?
No.
So we need plugs, wires. Johnny broke that. One of the coil packs, whatever they're called. And then we're gonna run just a few lines of this. We need to figure out the fuel system and wait for the new holiday kit that we ordered.
The fuel system on it. There's a dip, so it's an in-cab tank still, and I think we're gonna just run the intakes in-cab tank, just clean it out. We'll just run water through it for.
It's a new tank.
Is it?
Yeah.
So it's a brand new tank, and there's a hose that just sticks right down. It's just cut, and then so I'm gonna take that hose off, run the hose to it's called an E1000 fuel pump. They're about $100 from CarQuest or AutoZone, and it fuels the Chevy.
That's a very big spider. It's gone.
It's white.
Wherever it is, may it rest in peace. It helps. You don't have to be twins, but it helps. Alright, we're gonna go eat and go to bed pretty early. But we got the motor and training in. It's great buying a vehicle without a motor and trans, because you could just slop an LS in it.